Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Olavita Botox Serum and we will find whether this product is a good product or just a scam, right? So the very first questionable claim that I genuinely have on this product that Olavita Botox Serum claims to offer results similar to Botox injection. That's a very big claim, right? Such as dramatically reducing wrinkles. However, expert highlights that no topical product can replicate the effect of Botox, right? Raising red flags about the serum. So this is very important because if this product were so good that it can replace the Botox, then why big celebrities are still doing the normal traditional method of Botox, right? And the second thing is that lack of transparency. The manufacturer does not provide a full list of ingredients. As you can see here, there's a on the product level, there's a nothing, right? And I just went and go to the different website to find out the ingredients, and I didn't got it anywhere, which is very suspicious because this is a kind of health product, and of course, the customers need to know the reviews and ingredients. Many users reported disappointing results with some experiencing skin irritation. And why I'm saying this, just go to the trust pilot and here you can see this is overall 2.5 stars. And if I just go and show you in the 1 star here, wow, what a wild disgusting company. Seriously expensive products. I waited far too long for my order. Why split in two, they took around 300 euros from my account on this. Seriously persuaded a video and I'm still waiting for the second part of. Okay, this is regarding the shipping issue. Let's find out. Okay, this is the same thing, and here this is a 3rd star, and I am so stupid to buy this. I will urge young people not to try this. So I hope you got the conclusion that you shouldn't get attracted to this website because the product doesn't sound to be good for us. I hope you found this really very useful. Subscribe.